sapagkat ito'y ipinadala nila sa inyong lingkod, sa chairman. Present and read before us your sworn statement.
Sorry. Magandang umaga po sa mga kagalang-galang na senators at miyembro ng Blue Ribbon Committee, lalong-lalo na kay Senator Rodante Marcoleta, Chairman ng Blue Ribbon Committee.
Ilan sa kanila ay sina Terence Calatrava, former Undersecretary of Office of the Presidential Assistant of the Visayas of the Philippines, Kong Roman Romulo of Pasig City, Kong Jojo Ang of Uswag Ilonggo Party List, Congressman Patrick Michael Vargas of Quezon City, Kong Juan Carlos Arjo Aitayde of Quezon City, Nicanor Nicky Briones of AGA Party List, Congressman Marcelino Marcy Teodoro of Marikina, Congressman Florida Robes of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, Congressman Leandro Jesus Madroño of Romblon, Congressman Benjamin Benji Agarao Jr., Congressman Florencio Gabriel Bem Noel of Anwaray Party List, Kong Leo de Ode Tariela of Occidental Mindoro, Congressman Reynan Arrogancia of Quezon Province, Kong Marvin Rillo of Quezon City, Kong Teodoro Haresco of Aklan, Kong Antonieta Yudela of Zamboanga, Sibugay, Kong Dean Asisio of Caloocan, Kong Marivico Pilar of Quezon City. 21. Mayroon ding mga kinatawan ng ilang pulis